Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Don't want to make a long video because not too much has happened since my video yesterday. But again, wave count still at play here, where we started to move up from $880 in a white wave 1, came down in a wave 2 here, briefly missed that yellow target area for this wave 2, and then are now moving up in this white wave 3. Yeah, but again, this will be, as it currently appears, be split out into various subwaves. So we have here a first wave in blue within white wave 3, which looks like it's finished, similar to Bitcoin. We are now probably coming down here in a wave 2, and I told you yesterday that we will now be expecting here lower prices until that wave 2 is complete. One very possible or very likely target for this one, let's actually take a look. I mentioned it yesterday, I believe it was 1180 or something, or a little bit lower. Key target for this one, two are there. So the first one here, 1192, the 38.2% FIB level. Next one is 1163 here, that is the 50% FIB level. And should this fail, then probably the 61.8 at 1135. The way this is currently coming across, and it's just my sort of feeling, my view about how this might work out, is that we might come down actually to the 50%, which is the 1163 level. There then we'll turn around to the upside and start that wave 3. Okay, this is currently how it appears to me, how it comes across, because this could become something like, let's see where we are. ABC, indeed, it might already be finished, that ABC, but it currently, also with Bitcoin, is coming across that we are still moving maybe a little bit lower. We currently see here an engulfing red candle coming on the 1 hour chart, nothing major, but indicates that this move down probably isn't finished yet. And also you can see how we are moving down the FIB ladder here, came down, retested from below, and now possibly land one more step lower. And then we need to see how the price is going to react to that 50% level. I don't think it's finished yet really, because we haven't really, in that move up, we've only retested and confirmed that FIB level from below, indicating we will at least see the 1192 once more, I would say, before we turn around and then move here to the upside. Again, similar to Bitcoin, very important resistance level we first need to get through here between 1255 and 1280. Looks a bit like Ethereum is a bit further ahead in terms of, not necessarily in the wave count, but in terms of how much it has gone up, because this is the level here that Bitcoin still hasn't seen really. Yeah, for Bitcoin, that's the 23,300 level equivalent. Ethereum is already there pretty much, yeah. And if it goes above that, there is not much that will hold Ethereum, in my opinion, until we reach that wave 3 target here around $1,550 US. Then we will get a wave 4 reaction to the downside and a wave 5 here to the upside. That would then complete the wave 3 in white. That would be a massive increase. It is currently how it comes across based on the length of this wave 1. That comes across as very long. And then we need to look at what is sort of proportionate. What will be the targets that make sense for the other coins. And we're looking here then for that wave 3 in white, at least how it comes across at the moment, for something around maybe 1800, 1850. But that remains to be seen. First of all, we need to break above this resistance level. So far we have failed. And again, similar to Bitcoin, the scenario would be, the alternative would be that this white wave 2 hasn't finished yet. That means we only have done here an A to the downside, a large B to the upside, and the wave C would still be coming down, would land here in this yellow area between $950 and $1,030. But I think it is not very likely here for Ethereum, given how much we have moved up in this move, and because this is actually a 5-wave move up. So I don't necessarily think this is going to be that way. And therefore I'm focusing on this wave count at the moment. Only if we really break back below $880, then we should then we have to obviously take out this sort of bullish breakout wave count, and we have to focus further on lower prices again, because below 880 it just invalidates this whole uptrending move, and it would indicate that we have quite a bit of more downside potential to see, but at the moment that's quite far away. That would mean again from here another drop down of round about at least 30%, yeah, 28%, because we can count it currently impulsively, and because we have hit target area on the way down, and because we have been able to count 5 waves down, yeah, on the way down. I don't currently see the need to count this bearish. There is still downside potential. Yeah, we shouldn't forget that if this is an uptrend, it is still very, very early days, and therefore we have to be careful, especially as long as we are below this resistance level. But a move above this level, in my opinion, would unlock much higher prices for Ethereum. Now then, when we move all the way up here, all of this again will be corrected down once more. We can currently see that the wave 2s, and I have to say that very clearly, the wave 2s that we can currently see are very weak, which indicates, in my opinion, a lot of bullishness. It means we will have to wait how this wave 2 will work out, but normally the wave 2s are going down quite a bit. This wave 2 here has only retraced to the 38.2% fib level. This here, if this is going to stop soon, it won't come down a lot either. So we need to be aware that there could really be a push coming. It's a bit too early to confirm that, but I want to see how this wave 2 ends. And then obviously, I think in the next move, we are going to go through this resistance area here between 1255 and 1280. And this is overall how we can see and how we can look at the Ethereum chart. Also, you could see what has happened down here as some kind of a inverse head and shoulders reversal pattern. That's one way of looking at it. Another way of looking at it is that we might be, inverse head and shoulders maybe with a bit of playing around. You can make that work, but it just indicates that it is here some kind of a reversal pattern where you came down, you made your lower low, you made your lower low, and then you make a higher low. And then this would be the neckline here around 1255 to 1280. It's usually a zone because you have wicks, you have no wicks, and so on. And a move above that level would be very, very relevant. So all eyes need really to be on that level. All right, that is my view about Ethereum. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.